Hello guys. In this video, you will learn how to say days of the months, or days on the calendar in Japanese. So without further ado, let's get started. First day of the month.
1日
Second day of the month.
2日
Third day of the month.
3日
Fourth day of the month.
4日
Fifth day of the month.
5日
Sixth day of the month.
6日
Seventh day of the month.
7日
Eighth day of the month.
8日
Ninth day of the month.
9日
10th day of the month.
10日
11th day of the month.
11日
12th day of the month.
12日
13th day of the month.
13日
14th day of the month.
14日
15th day of the month.
15日
16th day of the month.
16日
17th day of the month.
17日
18th day of the month.
18日
19th day of the month.
19日 19日、
20th day of the month.
20日、20日、
21st day of the month.
21日、21日、
22nd day of the month.
22日、22日、
23rd day of the month.
23日、23日、
24th day of the month.
24日、24日、
25th day of the month.
25日、25日、
26th day of the month.
26日、26日、
27th day of the month.
27日、27日、
28th day of the month.
28日、28日、
29th day of the month.
29日、29日、
30th day of the month.
30日、30日、
31st day of the month.
31日、31日、
What day of the month?
何日、何日、
This is the end of this video. I hope this video helps you learn Japanese language. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe button below.